Lot S99 is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am SE with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $58,300 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 93,217 miles. And the highlights are Y84 Special Edition Trans Am, matching numbers 6.6-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory T-tops, deluxe interior, factory air conditioning converted to R134A, exterior and interior LED lighting conversion, custom Bluetooth-enabled sound system, original AM/FM 8-track stereo included. PHS documentation, Pontiac Historical Society, window sticker, 2 sets of GM keys, original Space Saver spare tire, jack and air canister, and indoor climate-controlled storage. And this one has the original window sticker if you're interested in all the prices for everything. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.